Yo! What up, peeps? Yo, what up, Donna? Cody! Bro, it's what we do. That's what we do. I played this sweep just before. I talked about this, though, plenty of times. Right here, we swept, and then you could see I played. That's how I turned this account green. Boom! That's how we do it. What else did I do? Oh, I passed this one. I passed the Take Profit Trader account. This was down 1,500. It's only down 800. Damn, with who? Cody? What up, Code? Hello, Vivek. Who are you taking a payout with? My Funded Futures? Yo, me and you both, man. One more day of $100 or more, and I'm going to take out another payout with you. We can be payout buddies tomorrow. Me and you. $100 each. Payout buddies. Let's do it. Hello, Marie. Yo, what up, Ellie? Let's see if I can pass this account. Yo, what up, John? Ain't no red. Yo, where's that dude that was talking about me having a couple accounts red yesterday? Where's that dude at? What? No. That's probably because they stopped paying a bunch of people. Yo. Yo, we doing big things on the stream, John. Making it. We've had a ton of winners. Ton of winners. And right before I got off the stream, I was looking for the sweep. This was the sweep. I was looking for it to come down. Got that. And now, to be honest with you, we swept here, right here. Kind of liking this for a reversal. I teach every day in here, John. You ask questions, I answer everybody. Yeah. Good luck getting paid, Cody. Dr. T had to negotiate a payout with them because they didn't want to pay out his full amount. They didn't want to pay out his full amount of money, so they had to negotiate a rate of payment. Yo, shit's so green you could smoke it, baby. Yeah, John, I answer everyone's question in here. If you got questions, I try to have answers. Screen time is going to answer a lot of your questions, man. Honestly, the longer you do this, whether you trade a eval, a sim account, a funded account, the longer you do this, you'll learn a lot of this stuff. Some of it is just feel. Some of it's feel. Some of it's, just seeing things that you've seen so many times. That's the best way I can word it, is just, we were talking about it when we were going up. We were here, and I said my target was going to be up by the pivot point. We literally went up to just about the pivot point, and that was the high of the day. And then I said, okay, I'm looking for a sweep low. We swept here, and then I took this long. It doesn't look like much, but it was like 20, 30 something points with a couple minis, and then we swept these lows now, So the answer is yes. It is that big. That's my boy, man. Can I ask you a question? 8 inches. And then everyone just fucking gets silent. Everyone gets silent. It's like, bro, did you just do that in front of people you didn't know? I wonder if he does that at work, where like he's in a meeting and they're like, can I ask a quick question? And he's just like 8 inches. And the whole fucking people in the meeting room just stop and stare to see if he's going to get fired or not. Solid 2, Jim Blab. I know this. I'm just here trying to put, yeah, man. Honestly, it kind of looks fucking weak. Yeah, I mean, like, people always ask, like, what's my setup? Like, I have multiple tabs, but if I was to do one setup, this would be what it would be. Order blocks, breaker blocks, fair value gaps, pivots, and orbs. That's kind of all I need to trade. The rest of it is extras. Like, I look at the 5-minute reversal bar, 3 bar on the 5-minute. I bring it up on the bigger time frames, like this. You could see, because you get a lot of these reversals right at the bottom or the top. Here's one at the bottom. I didn't take this one because it was pre-market. This one was pre-market also. So typically I look for in the day. So obviously I'm not going to take a bearish one after we've already traveled down, but this was a good one to take right here. We're traveling down, down, down. You get a 3 bar reversal right here. You take it up. Simple app. Yeah. You've seen everything's transparent, man. You can see everything you want to see. You late to the party? Don't get caught at work, man. Don't get caught at work. Are you I'm just curious, are you in the office job or are you out on the field? Where how are you working right now? Holy shnikes, man. I'm tired. Yo, if you get caught, just put your boss on the phone. Let me talk to him. I'll set him straight for you. Dell's out in the field right now. Yeah, Bouchant. I try to keep it. Liam, hello. Long time I didn't join your lives. LOL. Was working on a new algo. Well, work on it, man. Hopefully it works. I can't program for shit, so. Yo, Cody. Yo, Cody, that's freaking hysterical. Do I trade full time? I trade all day long, man. I am trading all day long. Oh, jeez. Maybe I should have went the Celsius route. Do I go the Celsius route? How much of this did I drink already? I'm debating, do I just get a Celsius right now? I think all I'm going to do is not drink the rest of this coffee, hang out for like an hour, and then go the Celsius route. Give my body a little time to get rid of the caffeine. That's cool, Liam. That's the goal, is to become profitable and leave your job. That's always the goal. That I can tell you. I mean, you could definitely get there. You could definitely get there, man. You just got to put in the time. Yo, I'm in air conditioning. I'm getting AC blasted on my face all day. AC is being blasted all over my face. Uncontrollably, just everywhere. No Diddy. No Diddy. Short-term trading, yeah. Short-term trading is very volatile. Yeah. I mean, I feel like you could have really good days, really bad days. You know, I honestly feel like it's easier for you guys to trade because you don't have, 100 people like that are staring at you to make a trade. Like you could say, hey, I'm just gonna wait. Like say we were up here, like you're like, oh, I can just wait until we sweep. Until we sweep here, I'll take that trade and that's it and be done for the day. Like I feel like there's less pressure, so you guys can really wait. And that's what I would do if I were you. Is I'd just wait it out and take just the best setups. You don't need a lot of setups. Like, look, this was one trade. It's $645. I took another one. Like, you don't need to make a lot of trades. Several football fields deep. Nah, Tradeify's working now. I haven't had an issue with Tradeify all day since before. Yeah, I've been all good on Tradeify. Man, they're just holding this area. I think eventually. See, so if you go to the hourly, we're right back in to this support area. Wouldn't be surprised if we get a bounce out. Maybe a 60-point bounce. Whoa, I don't want to do that. Let me just see what the daily looks like. See, to me, the daily looks, that is not good. If this goes red, I would say we're in for a little pullback. Damn, you guys are going fucking off the rails over there. I can't even repeat that. I'll just keep moving on to the next person talking. Oh, stretched my back out. Dude, I fucking blew my back out at the gym today. It's so tight now. That dude, yesterday, holy shit. I thought I fucked up my neck taking off the Jeep top. It was a little bit weirder and heavier. And all of a sudden I felt my neck like crack, and I was like, holy shit, I'm gonna have a stiff neck and all this crap, but nothing happened. That's what yo pop into the wee wop. I don't know what we're gonna do. Hey yo, dude, you guys are fucking deadlifts. No, of all things I was doing the rope pull downs where you just pull it down. And I don't know, all of a sudden I just felt it. Dude, fucking savages in this chat today. Of all days, I just got off the phone with those guys like an hour ago, too. I broke my back. Spinal. Mike Tyson, bro. Bro, she would be able to make a lot of money on OF. There's a lot of money on OF. I can't believe how much money there is on OnlyFans. It's fucking absurd. Did I tell him to get rid of somebody? No. I give positive criticism. I think they have something good. I just think that they just need to make changes visually. Visually, there's a lot of like space that's not being used. Like when you look at my stream, the chart is large. You see my accounts, you see me, like you see the whole trading thing. Like there, you see two people, and then like the screen is small, and there's just a lot of room that's not being used. Bro, you guys are fucking savages. I can't even repeat some of this. They need to make me a lead consultant. I'm available. I mean, they got the audience, obviously, because people buy accounts from them. So they have audience. It's just you gotta do certain things on the stream, and that's it. Man, this looks like one giant freaking bear flag. Just trade, and we're just going to fucking get rug pulled. Rug Pullington. Watch, we tag 310. $310 all day, hopefully. Oh man. But yeah, so I don't know. I spoke to the guy for like an hour. I was like, listen, this is what I would do. Whether you want to do it or not, that's up to you. Dude, how long have I been trading? I've been trading stocks since 2007. And I've been trading options since 2017. And I've been trading prop firms since 2023. I don't think prop firms were even around back then, back in my, when I first started. The prop firms that were around when I was younger were like you went to an office and actually traded. Where you I talked to one guy about my back being blown out. I used to go learn, like you'd pay for training, they would train you, and then you would trade their system. That's how prop firms really work. That's what like SMB Capital is. There's a bunch of them. They need to give one reset per person for a week. That way others get a chance and hopefully stop begging for resets. Well, I kind of said that on the stream. I was like, yo, you guys are begging for resets, but like, if you don't listen, if you don't learn anything, the resets aren't going to give you anything. What's a reset good for? What up, Jack? Like, say they hook up everybody with 10 resets. If you didn't learn anything and you're blowing accounts, you're still going to blow accounts. The reset's not going to help you out. Unless you're already profitable or at least breaking even. But if you're just losing, like, I'd focus on strategy more than anything. But nobody wants to hear that. They just want to fucking let it rip. Man, if it doesn't bounce here, this thing's just not looking. This is not looking friendly. This is looking, honestly, this is looking like it's going to go down. My only reasoning behind it is we basically broke this trend. Their stream is as exciting as this PA right now. Dude, I told them that, Richie. I was like, yo, you got people on here. Like, you got people. The biggest complaint is there's just no energy. Like, you got to keep the people going. That's pretty much what I told them. I was like, bro, if you don't have to be loud and entertaining for fucking 8 hours, but you gotta get going, especially like when the price action's moving and you guys are having fun. Like, you gotta keep people entertained. People want to hang out with something fun. Like, they want jokes. They want to make money also. They want to learn. Like, they want to do all that. But at the same time, like, it's got to be, entertaining. I felt like also, like, they don't answer the people in the chat. Like, all these people in the chat are talking and nobody is like, yo, what up? Like, yo, what up, CT? Like, it was just, no one was saying it. Like, you got to interact with the people. That's what they're there for. When they type, people want to be acknowledged when they type in the chat. You don't want to just type in the chat and I just fucking ignore you. You want to feel like you're contributing to the community. Yo, you don't even trade NQ? Yo, Richie, what do you trade? Are you trading big hogs? I meant lean hogs. Oh, you trading ES? Girthy Sage in the house? Kinda, Kevin. I said, listen, I'm only going to give you the tip. That's how it went down. I was like, just the tip, baby. And then we'll see where it goes. Yeah, and you know what, Richie? If you're trading, what is it? 99% of the time is fucking downtime, if you really think about it. You know, you're looking for trade setups, you're looking for this, you're looking for that. Like, the majority of the time, you know, you're not doing anything. You're not hitting the button all day long. Well, maybe I am, but most people are not. I'm going to take one and just see how low this goes. Play just the tip. We try to keep the buffoonery moving. You got to keep having fun, man, because once it's not like, I'll be honest, I've traded by myself, you know, nothing else, like just me and a bunch of stocks and a bunch of options. It's kind of boring. I tend to play shit in the background anyways. I didn't really like it a ton. I did it because it was money, but it's boring. And especially if you're looking at like stocks and shit, you're sitting there and you're like, you know, I don't feel like reading this right now. I don't feel like doing this. Like, you know, super annoying. Yo, how's this one? So yesterday, I took the top off my Jeep. I've never taken it off before. So I take the top off my Jeep. It's a hard top. I come back from where we were at. We were out at a party. And I go to lift this Jeep top back up, and I can't fucking get it back onto my truck by myself. So I'm holding the Jeep top on my fucking back, and I'm trying to get it on top of my Jeep. And my wife is like, I don't know, giving me some shit. Why did I take the top off? You know, and then sure enough, the UPS guy comes by and helps me out. I was like, no. I was like, I want to do this by myself. Don't make me look like this in front of my wife. I told her I could do it myself. But man, I was not getting that fucking top back on. That shit was so heavy. What about the Diddy? Yo, they released photos of Diddy's place. What up, Discipline? Bro, there was Astroglide and fucking oil everywhere, man. Fucking everywhere. Carvana just messaged me and said my registration for my Jeep is done. Let's go and dump this bitch. Dump it. Yeah. What's crazy was I wasn't even going to do this. No donkey. Yo, the Camotep. Yo, the donkey show starts after hours. Is that what you're looking for? The donkey show? Oh, is there a donkey at Diddy's place? There was no donkey. I thought you were here for the donkey show. Yeah. No. The photos were online though. But I wasn't even gonna stream ever. I was just making videos, just educational videos, just and about my day. Like, oh, this is how my day did and all this other shit. And then after I had like 200 subscribers, people were like, yo, are you going to stream? Are you going to stream? And I was like, I guess I'll stream. And that's how streaming became. It wasn't like a thing. Like if you could go back and look at my, the OG videos. Yo, patient trader. That's funny. What up, Nao? This is gonna dump. How far is the question? Feels dumpy. Feels dumpy, do. Yo, Dell, that's my favorite fucking meme, by the way. Or GIF. That's my favorite GIF. The balloon, the green balloon in the fucking front seat. Yo, what up, Desmond? How's trading going today?
Order filled. Order filled.
What do I need? I think I need somewhere around here. If we get to here, I am, Josh. I am. I do not like the fact I think we're going to go back to 350 land. I'm going to put a stop in. Obviously, I'm going to put a stop in. Probably right there is my stop. I feel like if we go above that, I'm out. Crazy absorption? Bro, that sounds like it'd be something you'd say on a commercial. Yo, this product has crazy absorption. Leaves no wetness. No wet spot left in the bed. Crazy absorption. I'm in the green pretty nice today, so I have some room to give back if it does. Oh, what are you, long, Josh? Listen, I'm not trading a funded account in that. I can tell you that though, Josh. It's an eval, and I'm just trying to or a band name. Yeah. I had a blanket that was like that. Crazy absorption. Oh, yo, Garcha, jeez. Yo, you know what time it is, guys? You guys know what time it is? It's Celsius time. I'll be right back. Peach vibe. I gotta get the fucking people going. Guess who's back with their motherfucking Celsius? I'm back. Yo, you guys holding it down or what? Y'all want a breakout probability estimator? Sure, Liam. I want a Saturday night close rate estimator. Oh, jeez, this smells like, I don't even know. One too many ice cubes. Just fucking dump this pig. Jeez. Dump it, man. I mean, all seriousness, it looks too good to dump that it's probably going to rip. True story. True story. I'm with you, Code. It looks too good. It's gonna rip. Anytime it looks too good, it's gonna go the other way. 60% of the time, it works every time. Here we go. Going up. Told you. Yo, design knob, free longs. Free longs. This thing had every opportunity to just fucking dump it. Yo, I wonder what happened to the free long guy. I always say that. I wonder what happened to him. Free longs and free shorts. He has given us that, and then he went. I don't know what happened to him. I want to say he was from India or Pakistan. So I don't know if something happened over there and he's gone. RIP to the free short man. But yeah. The free short guy is gone. Yo, what up, TJ? I had this last account up on the day, and now it's no longer up on the day. Still holding strong. A shit day? A lot of chop today, to be honest with you. A lot of chop in here. This is all chop. Even when you're kind of trending down, you're kind of chopping. Like, this is a clean move. Clean. Yeah, no, I am doing very well today. Yeah. Yeah. Yo, you know what's probably, yeah, a lot of fake outs. Yo, I just realized why I'm so tired.
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
Maybe I'm just tired. Tired of winning. Yo, what up, Renava? I got a fucking big night ahead of me, too. I'm going to, I was invited somewhere for, this just sounds so stupid, but I was invited to go play, not poker, bingo at, our friend belongs to a club, and I'm going to play bingo tonight, and it's massive. It's not at like a bingo hall. It's at a country club. And it's crazy. Bro, Sloman's. I had somebody come look at my air conditioning unit. I don't know. Shit's expensive, man. AC units.
Order filled.
Yeah, this is going to go up.
Order filled. Order rejected.
This just inverted. I hate fucking flipping back. Here, I'll just bring up the, I'll just bring it over. That was a crazy mistake. What do you guys think? Do you think this is the bottom? They had every opportunity to fucking drop it right here, to be honest with you, and they didn't drop it. You don't get a daily loss limit if you're on a Topstep X. If you're on X, there's no look, you got a 1 minute inversion right here. Do you take it and stop out at like 18? I need to gamble algo candles. Do I take it and stop out? I would stop out at 17. Full port it? There we go. It gets the people going. Right here under this imbalance. Right under there. Push it to the limit. Come on, baby. Keep it going. Oh, Sloman's. That was a oneer. 30-second happened prior, but I usually don't take these, to be honest with you. I look for stuff like this. I want to see a big push down and then us come back up and invert it. That's how I usually play it, along with a sweep. So I'll look back here and be like, okay, we swept and then back up. Oh, we swept these lows and then back up. I typically don't play unless we dump and sweep. You know, same thing on the way up. See how you shoot up and then back down? Like, I'm looking for these V shapes. So this doesn't really fit my criteria. Am I going to do it in an eval? Sure. Am I going to do it in a funded account? Fuck no. You know, this is probably like a C setup, but it's 305 and daddy needs to get his little taste in of playing the market here. You know, probability, I don't know, more likely than 50% it works out. What up, Double O? What up? What up? Push it. I mean, you were up at one point. I mean, it wasn't a lot. 6 points. Actually, it was a lot in dollars. Just take me out of at least one, man. Are you too good for your home? NQ Booger Sugar? Yo, Booger Sugar. Dude, you got to see when I was in Colombia, man. Shit was everywhere. I don't like the fact that we're making a lower high here. I would say this trade is cooked. Probably if we drop below this level, I would say the trade's cooked. Just keeping it reals. When keeping it reals goes real wrong. Not trying to blow the account. I'm just, you know, if we flag here and go up, great. Man, I want to get some fucking payouts this week. I'm in line. In line for some payouts. You took the 3-bar reversal to the downside on what time frame? I saw one on the hourly. You're talking about this hourly one? I mean, you would have got in at like 80. I mean, you were up like fucking 80 points. Yo, I'm going to break a little over break even. Just an FYI. Yeah, what 3-bar did you take? Keep fucking going, baby. You're targeting the VWAP? I'll be honest with you. I definitely can see it hitting it. Oh! Are you fucking kidding me? How did that not take that out? How the fuck Did that not take that out? What is going on? That's witchery. That's witchcraft right there. What the absolute fuck is that? Bro. Get the fuck up. I'm moving my stop up, by the way. Are you kidding? Yo, which one of you guys is the market maker and just stop that? Bro. That's crazy. At least if I can get out of this one, I'm out of half, right? I'm out of half for a profit. Oh, are you fucking kidding me? Are you two times? Holy shit. It got me out at the very top. Now watch, it's going to blow right through. Well, if you took it, you got 15 points. So Maria's back. Work's busy. Yo, you tell your boss that you're making money over here. Put the boss in the chat. Let me talk to him. Yo, we're making money over here, bro. Send your admin work somewhere else. He's nice. Well, that's good that you got a good boss. Makes work a lot better. Well, all these accounts are officially green. Holy shit. It's a pretty good day. Not going to lie. I mean, this is a pretty good day. Yeah. Dudes, I mean, some good trades. Some good trades. I feel good about myself today. I will say. Yo, waiting for that drift. I'm not going to play shit. I don't even. Well, I'm going to keep playing this one account. I'll play the drift with this account. What's up, Spider Lily? Yeah. Yeah, money was definitely made over here. Yeah. We made a lot of money. Some of the trades were talked about in the Discord. Some of them were on the live stream. Some of them I said when I got off the live stream that what I'm looking for, and it happened. Like, I try to put out all the trades out in the open so everybody can listen. I don't want you to follow, but I want your thoughts to be there. I don't want you to just blindly follow, but I want you to be able to trade on your own. That's the ultimate goal, right? Yo, I'm going to get my Clambo right after this. I would like to freaking actually I want to get this account. This is my last red account on the day. This was down 1,500 before. Was I just long? Where the fuck did I make this money up? I'm just trying to think where. Oh, I'm not even in this account. I'm in this account. I almost traded the wrong fucking account. Was I just long in here? Oh, I was. Look at this. Oh, I forgot I put the order in. 137 and 270. Play the same thing. I just forgot I was in it. If I can make $90, I can pass this account tomorrow. All I need is $90. You guys ready? $90, $90, $90. Come on, what's $90? I just need $90. Come on, do I hear $90, $90, $90? What is $90? 5 points? What could possibly go wrong, guys? Please. No! Monica! I should have just went the other way. That's my $90. All right. Can I explain the the trade on the way up, Monet? Yeah, I could do that. I'll explain it. Hold on one second. So basically, I was just looking at the charts, obviously, and I see that we had I like this short originally, right? But they had every opportunity to drop it, and they didn't drop it, is basically what happened. I wanted it to drop. We broke the trend line right here, right? We break the trend line, we go down, right? It is unable to even go lower than right here. So there's no push to it, right? Then eventually they start buying it up. Once it inverts this fair value gap, which is right here, I bought right here. Oh, that's crazy. That's big news. So I took this fair value gap inversion right here, and my stop would have been 417. And then I was targeting VWAP, which was this big yellow line. And that was my trade. Questions about it, Monet? Like, do you have TradingView? I use a script for the inversions. Yeah, so I like playing 1 minute or 30-second inversions. It depends on what's going on. Like if we're in a slower environment like this, I typically go to the 1 minute. But if we are like dumping and then we pick it back up, I'll take a 30-second. Only on the cases of like dumping or like, we start ripping up, and I'll take it down to the downside. Then I go to the 30-second. But if we're in a slower environment, I'm kind of just following the 1. I like to see sweeps and then coming back up. You know, I like to see big sell-offs. Using Tradeify, I don't know if they have it on Tradeify. But yeah. I just want one big fucking candle to the upside. I'm chasing pipe dreams right now. I'm chasing waterfalls. It's a free trade. I'm in 2. It's a free trade. Push it. I just need to get over 51,500 so I can pass this thing tomorrow. I'm out. I'm out even. Yo, I was trying to get a scalp here. I'm trying, man. It's not letting me. It's like Matumbo. No, 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 not today. No, 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 not today. I still think it can go. I still think it has opportunity to go. I'm just trying to get. It'd be such a fucking win if I can get over this. It'd be such a win. Such a win. I don't think so, though. It's looking less.
Order filled.
Well, I'm up fucking there. Oh, shit. Come on. Yo, what's up, guys? Who's in the show? Bodine's here. Lucas here. Lenny's here. What up, guys? Mara's here. What up, Kron? DBT's in the house. Tebow. Vincente. I don't know if I said that right. What up? Jay Styles is here. Dude, I didn't even know that you guys were in here. What up? What up? What up? Chat's moving fast. What up, Marco? How are you guys trading today? I just need to fucking get a couple bucks. What up, Jim? Trading bot. Oh, how'd you like the show on My Funded Futures today? I thought the show went pretty well. KNLV, what up? Good afternoon, Enchanted. I see Palouse is in here. Tim Newman. What up, Ray? What up? What up? What up, Eminem? Oh, come on. Just drop this thing. This is looking so juicy. Just one big drop. It's right there. It's right there. I can taste it. Henster, were you interviewed by them? What do you mean? To get on the show? Like, did they interview me and say, hey, like, if you want to interview for the show? Or you mean on the show? I mean, I don't think I really was interviewed on the show. We just kind of were talking. We're just kind of talking trading, talking feet picks. I don't know. We were just talking all types of stuff. You know, I was asked originally to go on the show. That was the second time I was on there. Michael, it's a private indicator, and there's a link for it in the Discord. I don't have the link to it. It's somewhere in the Discord. If you just search IVG, you should probably find it. But it's in the Discord. It's not public for whatever reason. It's a private indicator. Yeah. I think what happened with the indicator was it was too similar to somebody else's, so they don't allow it on the network. Did I just fucking do that? Bro. Oh my God. The fuck? Bro, I literally just fucking dumped Celsius all over my fucking desk and my fucking leg. What the fuck just happened? Oh my God. Bro, I gotta go out. I'm gonna smell like freaking Celsius. My leg is all sticky now. I got sticky leg. Ugh, jeez. I'm gonna have to put my leg under the shower real quick. Code. Too excited. God, I just finished on your dude. I like just turned it over and a fucking thing just shot everywhere. I was like, do not come. Do not come. This looks bad. Dude.
Do not come. Do not come.
I'm gonna come.
Yo, what up? What up? Bro. I can't believe I just did that with the fucking can, man. Fuck, man. trying to clean it up with like fucking. All right, I'm gonna take this long here. I think. Fuck it. I'm trying to get this last little bit. Nope, not gonna happen. Cool. Yo, what I need? $90? I went from needing $90 to fucking 400. I know, CT. So fucking bad. I was trying to get $90. I don't know how I went from needing $90. Yeah, well, it just sold right back off, Josh. You can get in now. You can get in right now. Not that you would. Now you're like, oh, I'm glad I wasn't around. Yo, how hard is it to get $90, man? Fucking so easy. $90? Fucking super easy. Fuck you, market. Yeah, KN. Closest I got was $4 to holy shit. Is there news? Did Trump just give Powell a wet willy? What the fuck happened? Bro, that was a little fucking. Hey man, whatever works for you works for you. President Trump says we'll strike Iran again if it rebuilds its nuclear program. Oh, jeez. Yo, mad absorption. What up, Snowman? What up, Snowman? Not one, but Snowman 2 is in the building. Fuck Snowman 1. We got Snowman 2. That's where it's at. Yeah, dude, I don't care, John. I mean, I'm having a fucking amazing day. Believe me, you couldn't ruin my day. I could blow that account and it won't ruin my day. Oh. Oh my God. Snowman 1. That dude is in Colombia. Dude, I think tariffs, I think he can just put more tariffs. John, you'll get there. You can get there, man. Fuck it, right? Dump it. Are we going to continue? If we're going to continue down, this is probably the spot that you're going to continue down. You want this candle gets below 29 and they'll probably drop it. I'm riding it free at this point. I'm walking away with something. I walk away with $50. Yeah, John, just stick to back testing, time in the seat. You got it. A lot of people getting their first payout this week. I like to see that. Things are going really well. Bro, Richie, this is the biggest $90 I've ever had. Why didn't I just wait till right here to get $90? I would have had $90. I just didn't wait. That's the problem with only needing $90 is when you only need $90, you don't give a shit and you're just fucking go in because you only need $90. You're like, oh, I'm just gonna buy right here and I'll get $90. All right, so that was pretty good. Yo, only need $90 to pass or reset. Yo, ain't that the truth? That's the truth, Richie. So there was no news today. Tomorrow, there's a lot of news in the morning. I don't know if you guys looked at the old economic calendar. I'll show you it. So economic calendar for this week starts to heat the fuck up tomorrow. Look at it. Thursday, jobless claims, durable goods, GDP. You got a bunch of shit at 8:30, pending home sales at 10. And then core PC, you have PCE and core PC on Friday. So I would say we're going to get more of a trend day the next 2 days rather than the shit that we're getting. MOC YOLO. Who's going to YOLO? Maybe yes. Maybe no. I'm going to drift. I might drift to try to make my last fucking whatever it is in here. Four PAs, bro. I don't know. Josh, to be honest with you, I don't involve myself in much that goes on outside of trading in the stream. My goal is literally to wake up, extract as much money as I can from the stock market. And when the stock market closes, I go hang out with my friends and family. I'll shit post a little bit online, but I have no idea what went on or anything like that. I'd never won a ducky. I have 8 accounts currently, all locked out and blown. You blew 8 accounts today? I don't know why you drop support of a company. Like, I like Tradeify. Tradeify is not bad. I think Tradeify is pretty decent. I think the rules are decent. I think they just moved to 7 days instead of 10 days of trading. I think that was their announcement today, right? I don't really know, but I think it's something like that. Robert Ducky, he's the one who's slamming the end of the day. Who's playing end of the day in here? Anybody? Yo, Tradeify is definitely 7 days. They moved 7 days, 7 trading days instead of 10. Yeah. Yo, Corey, I've been telling you that for ages, bro. Yo, it's scammers all over the place, bro. Anybody that tries to sell you a Discord or a course, anybody that's not showing you their account numbers, you're not going to show me your account numbers on all your accounts. I mean, if you can't say, okay, dude, like, here it is, and you see everything, account numbers, you know, the whole thing, how do I follow you, man? You got to be completely transparent with people. What up, Kevin? If you're not going to be transparent with people, I wouldn't follow anybody, because this is what happens, guys. I'm going to be honest with you. They'll trade like Apex here and like other accounts off the screen, and then all of a sudden, like, losing Apex, and at the end of the day, they're like, oh, I made so much money over here. It's like, well, you weren't even trading that on the stream. Like, you know, it's one of those things that I just don't see. It should all be traded in front of everybody so you can see everything, not after the fact showing you and all that other shit. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. What do I think MOC is going to bring today? It hasn't been good. Anybody, I'll be honest with you, MOC hasn't been good. MOC has not been good. It's been very wick-wacky, where it goes up and down. Like, I'm probably not going to play it for that reason. It hasn't been good lately, just being honest. Yeah, I lost yesterday. Yeah. I'm listen, MOC was so good that we went like 20 something days with making money, or 19 straight days of making money with it. It was fucking insane. Every day we were making money. It was crazy. And it just cooled off. It's just not hitting. I've never seen so many come ups in this space. I don't really, Corey, I'll be honest with you, I don't follow really anybody. I don't know. I don't really follow many people. I'll tell you one thing. You know what's not coming up today is fucking. Of course, I'm doing amazing in futures, and I'm getting my fucking, well, not my dick kicked in, because obviously I made more money yesterday than this, but taking a little bit of an L today. I don't know why. It's a lot of it's mostly one thing. I got to look to see what was up. MOC is market on close. Tradeify just hired Jay Dunn, the biggest scammer in the world, next to Danny Trades. I thought he had his own prop firm. What is MOC? I think there's some earnings today too. Probably going to pop a bit. I think there's uncertainty of those times. Oh yeah. Oh, you're talking about when we were just smashing it every day, Dell? Yeah, it was wild. Jay Dunn, it's some dude that started a prop firm, claims he could trade. I don't know. Like, I know what he looks like. I don't know. He looks like if you look left, he takes your wallet from your right pocket. That's what he looks like. It looks like he's a furu. Yo, if anyone's trying to sell you something, they're trying to sell you a course or sell you a Discord or sell you something, just fucking run, man. There's enough free information out there. Yeah, his dad owns the prop firm. Yeah, his dad was selling fucking insurance, and now he owns a prop firm. Fucking wild. Wild, wild. What up, Dennis? Yo, get it popping. Get it pop-a-locking. Oh, man. My fucking shoulder. It's definitely, I don't really know. I mean, I don't like the daily candle here. Watch, I'll show you. I don't really like where we're at on the day, I forget what this fucking candle's called. Somebody can probably chime in. Did I just pass it? Where are we at? Oh, my fucking chart is messed up. If this ends red, that is not great. Also, it's not great that we went so high and have sold off. We get on to 381, I would say we're going to come back a little bit. Yo, thanks, Double O. Sand in your eyes mid-fight? Yeah. I mean, we've just been chopping here. This is a chop fest at this point. A dragonfly or spinning top? Yeah. I was looking for hangman, but hangman is when you start. Hangman is what? Where you start up. The top is a head, and it's like a hammer, but red. That we wop. I don't know if we're going up, man. This shit looks bad. The old hangman. That's what I had in my head for whatever reason. The old hangman. Yo, Jim Blab. I just call them money makers. Daly could be a hangman if it drops. Well, we're about to see. If I had to guess, we're going down. How's that sound? I'm guessing down. The problem is I think we wick whack. That's the only reason why I'm not doing it. But I think it's down if I had to guess. Actually, June marks 1 year of streaming. I started streaming in June. See, like that's well, you would have gotten paid. MOC was good. When is MOC at 350? Bro, that was clean and it barely moved. Yo. Flip. Yo, you guys smashed? Yeah, Mama Tick. I started streaming about a year ago in June. I came back from Columbia wedding and started streaming. Damn, that was fucking clean. That was clean. Clean action. 3 cons, 3 points. That's how I was originally doing it, like small, but somehow we went from 3 cons, 3 points to 8 points, 10 cons. Dell smashed. It's hard to play when I'm up so much today. Like, I don't want to fucking ruin my day because of it. You know, all of a sudden I got red on the screen I got to look at. I don't want to look at any red. I want no red. No red. What time is earnings? I don't think there's many earnings today. Yeah, Raymond. It's a lot of times wick wax. Micron is after hours. That might actually move the market, by the way. MU is probably going to move the market. Yeah. Dude, I'm going to play the drift right here. If we keep grinding up, I think MOC going to send us down. The 355. I'm going to drift end of day, though. Yo, later. Later, Gator. See you in a while, Crocodile. See you tomorrow if you're around. Come hang out. I'm playing the end of day drift in Take Profit Trader to try to make my fucking money back. How's that sound? I need to make $400. $400. 3 cons. What do I got to do? 8 points? I don't know about that. That's fucking dangerous. That's living dangerously. That's very dangerous. Dude, let's see how everybody's doing today. take a quick check-in. You guys up, down, left, right? How's everybody doing today? Yo, 350 is just getting shot. All right, here we go. Here we go. Yeah, no movement. That's like too slow, Powell. That's too slow, Powell, right there. We ain't doing shit. Super bad. I wonder how honestly, I wonder how the end of day is going to go. To be honest. Because both of these have been pretty muted, right? This was pretty muted. 355 was very muted. I wonder what's going to happen end of day with the drift. Are we going to just go one way or the other out of this consolidation? I'm thinking. Thinking. I mean, we've been consolidating. Look at this area. I mean, it's been only like a 40 point or so area since basically since 12 o'clock. We've just been in this little range. That's crazy. It's almost 4 hours. End of day up. Was going for 7 point. This might pop here. I'm telling myself I'm not playing until it closes. All right, here we go, baby. Here we go. Get in your fucking seats. Get in your seats and get everything ready to fucking roll. I'm going to pass this shit tomorrow. Dude, this is looking really good to the upside. I like this to the upside. I might jump in this shit early. Go, baby, go. Push it. Push it. Oh, I got it. I went fucking green, baby. Green. Woo! Yo, I did it. Yo, I don't have a red account. I don't have a red fucking account. This account's going to get red. I'm drifting on this. Yo. Yo. I think it's going to just fucking go. No! My only red fucking account. I got whipped in. I would have gotten in anyways. That's the first time I've lost on this in ages. Fuck me, man. That's literally the first time I've lost. Dude, it did. It went early. It definitely went early. It definitely went early. I liked it because I got it in the account that I needed to get it in. So obviously that was a plus. But it definitely went early. Because normally these fucking two candles look like this. They're usually small. And then we just went. This is normally what happens after hours. And we didn't get it. It definitely prematurely went. Whole. Fuck you, motherfuckers. Yo. 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 Who doubted me? Who doubted me? Come on, baby. Ah. Yo. Come on. Fuck yes. Oh, baby. Yo. Fuck yeah. Yo, look. Up 1,600 on that account. What you think? I was going to end the day red? Ugh. Holy shit. That was delayed reaction. Fuck. Wow. Oh, you know what that is? That's Micron earnings, dude. That's Micron earnings. I bet you if I go to Micron, the earnings are out and it's good. Yeah, Micron is up almost 7%. Yo, that's what saved me. Oh, that's crazy. My screen froze. Yo. If you were on the stream, you banked today. You had to make money today. If you were on this stream, you made money today. Every account is fucking green that I could trade that I was in. I even flipped this one green. That's crazy. These accounts are green. This is green. This is green. Yo, smash the confetti for a green day. Just smash it. We fucking green everywhere. I don't even know how much money this all came out to. This was just an awesome day. This was just, I'll be honest with you, you just stick to your rules, man. Shit works. Shit just works. That's the best way I can word it. Shit just works. Yo, Corey. And it's not like I'm copy trading all the accounts either. It's just literally like I made a trade in here, I was up. I made a couple trades in here, I'm up. I passed this one today. This one I made back all my losses. These are up. Hopefully I can get this one over tomorrow. You know, obviously I copy traded some of these accounts, but I mean, there's a lot of fucking trades I took and we're up. Oh, man. I feel so good. Payout's coming. Maria needs $275 to be funded. Maria, you are right there. You are right there. Did you know? I don't even know if you knew this. If you go 10 cons, all you need is 2 points to get that. Actually, you need less, right? 1.5 points for 10 cons? Don't do it. Don't. I'm just joking around. I'm just joking around. But yeah. That's awesome. How hard could it be to get 2 points with 10 cons? Tomorrow's another day, though, Maria. Don't do it. Unless it's a lock. If it's a lock, you do it. But only if it's a lock. If it's a lock, you got to take it. Only if it's a lock, though. Another day, another dollar. Dude, you know what's crazy is my internet's fucked. Yo, my internet is so fucked right now. Yo, is my screen all blurry to you guys? Yo, what up, Edgar? Yeah. So all day, this morning I lost internet, actually. While I was on the morning stream, I lost internet. Yeah, super laggy. It's not me. It's fucking it's I don't know if you guys know, but we're getting like a heat wave over here in New York. And I think the heat wave is just causing issues with a lot of shit. Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the heat wave is causing issues with internet. I know people have lost power by me. There's a lot of shit that's going on. The good news is this is the last hot day. It breaks tonight. So let's see. I think there'll be no more issues coming up after tonight. Yeah, tomorrow is only going to be a high of 80. I imagine we're getting some fucking massive rain. That's usually what breaks this shit is we're going to get rain. Yeah. Bro, that's not up here. I don't think the power up here is made for everybody to be on their fucking. We're going to get some type of massive storm. I could tell you that right now. Yeah. Yo, BK, you're in Maryland, right? I need to make $1,300 in 2 days, or I will get rebuild in my Luna. I basically go all in tomorrow on something. I would go all in and try to get your money. Marie, what state are you in, Marie? I keep forgetting where you are. What state are you in? If I had to guess, I would guess Virginia, maybe? Trying to think. I don't really know. North Carolina? Yeah, I knew you were somewhere around there. We were almost neighbors, Marie. I was going to move down there. The Raleigh area, Raleigh, Cary, somewhere around there. We could have been buddies. We could have been hangout buddies. We could have been trade buddies. Who would have known? Yeah, I would have moved back down there in 2009-ish, 2010. I zigged instead of zagged, and I decided not to go down. Maria's in Atlanta. The ATL. Yeah. The ATL, yo. As she says, suburbs, though. Suburbs. ATL suburbs. But yeah. Candles, you in Jacksonville now? Yeah. I spent some time in Fredericksburg, Virginia. I thought that was a really nice place. And I like North Carolina weather, where the summers, you could still swim in your pool through Halloween. I like that. Where, I went down there in October and we went swimming and it was fun. But yet you still get a little bit, it still gets cold in North Carolina or Fredericksburg, Virginia, where you could still get a little snow here and there, but your winters are not that bad. Oh, man. Yeah, I can't move now. I'm stuck where I'm stuck. I can tell you that. I am stuck in New York. I'm stuck here for a little bit. You love the Florida winters? It's nice in Florida during the winter. I've been there a lot. And you can wear a hoodie at night. And then during the day, it's like shorts and a t-shirt. Yo, what up, Q? Yo, how's your day going, man? Boom. Golf. I can see golf getting expensive. Check the Discord. Oh, yeah. MOC will do that. Yo, MOC will give you new life. Definitely give you new life. Yeah. That's what I use it for a lot of the time, Cube, is like accounts that are just down. And I'm like, all right, let me scoop this one up. Yeah. That's crazy. There's some type of heat wave or something going. Oh, Cube. So back in February and March, we were doing funded accounts every day. I was copy trading funded accounts on MOC, and we were fucking hitting like $800 to like $1,200 a day on it. I took accounts that had no money, brand new accounts, passed them, and then took them for a payout just through MOC. It was wild. It was wild. Well, so Cube, one day I did it with a Take Profit Trader Pro account, and I hit for $2,500 on it, and I took my money out same day. So, not that I could imagine, we were doing it. We were doing it on the chat every day in here in February, March. Yeah. Yeah, no, we were crushing MOC in here for a little bit. And then I feel like, honestly, it's almost like the word got out and then it kind of stopped working. I felt like other people started doing it, and now it's not as what it used to be. Once the word gets out and other people start doing it, I feel like, I don't know, it gets taken away or something. Yo, you can look at probably ATR, Cube. You could probably go to like a 15-minute ATR and see what it is. No, I know, Fred, but I don't know. It just feels weird because it worked. We back tested it and it was good. And then it worked like literally 19 straight days. Every day we were hammering it. And then out of nowhere, it just stopped. I bet you, Cube, if you look at ATR, you could probably get, yeah. Both ways. Both ways. Yeah. I wonder if you just did up, if maybe up's the only way that works. I don't know. My cam froze. Can you hear me? Can you at least hear me? Bro, the internet is so bad here. I think it's the heat. For me, most times it's up, or I get enough of it. Yeah. Yo, I think so I lost complete internet today. The internet, I think the heat, Cube, I mean, you're in New York. There's power outages. Like somebody lost power on my block. Like, I think the heat's causing issues on just shit in general. So I know it breaks tomorrow. So I have a feeling the internet will be back. Yeah, man. I just think shit is not working 100% right now. Yeah. It is what it is, but that's the issue. Yeah, that's crazy. But yeah, I think that's what's happening. If I had a guess, I've never had issues with internet here, and now all of a sudden today I'm having issues. Let me run this because I gotta run I got bingo tonight. I got big bingo. Cove, do the news in the morning, bro. What news? Code, what news do you want me to do in the morning? Yo, I streamed this morning. Were you guys around in the morning? I streamed in the morning. Were you guys around? Maybe. Anybody around in the morning? Dude, you guys like that? I could keep streaming in the morning. I make a lot of money in the morning, so, you know, I don't mind doing it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it every day, but I'll definitely be able to do it a lot more. I'll try to hit it tomorrow morning. I'll try to hit it in the morning. All right. I'm going to set up the old ducks right now. By the way, if you're new here and you want to join to try to win free accounts, you got to subscribe, and then you got to hit the little bell button to get notified when I go live. But you got to subscribe to win free accounts. Also, we stream live every day, 10:30 to noon, 2 to 4:30 p.m. Soon to be also in the morning, even earlier. So I kind of like the morning stream. Also, there's a link to our free Discord in the description of this video. If you want to hang out, ask questions. I trade at night in the Discord. So, you know, hold on one second. Yeah, so you got to subscribe. What else? I don't know. If you end up following me on Twitter and you have a different name, let me know if you follow. I'll follow you back. And if you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER below. That's what enables us to do all these free accounts. All right, I'm getting the ducks going. Do you have times when you go live at night on Discord? A bunch of us just hang out in there, Ali, and I just kind of go. We just kind of pop on, I guess. By the way, this is the best freaking deal that's out there right now. Buy one if you pass it. If you pass an eval, you get a free eval. So if you buy an eval and pass it, you get a free eval, and there's no activation fee. It's no starter accounts, though. So in theory, if you buy an eval and pass it, you could have a funded account for like $120. And then if you pass the other one, you could have 2 funded accounts for $120. In theory. It's pretty legit. They're running it this week. I'm setting this shit up right now. All right, so here we go. I actually streamed 3 times today. We have the morning stream, the morning stream, and then the afternoon stream. So there's going to be some more winners. If you have questions, now's a great time to ask because I could share my screen. You can ask questions about strategy, prop firms in general. Ian, this doesn't do anything. What are you talking about? What doesn't do anything? It doesn't do anything now. You gotta do it during the day when we're trading. It's closed now, Ian. Gotta be on the stream during the day when we're trading. Yo, and I did the guest stream on My Funded Futures today also. So I streamed a lot today. I streamed a lot. Damn, Josh, look what happens when you pound the ones. No. Josh pounds the ones and he wins a free account. That's how easy that is. That's all you got to do is pound the ones. Makes your duck go faster. It's that easy. Pound the ones. Nobody wants to pound the ones. That's why Josh won. Hey, told you. We'll see what happens this race. This is for everybody that was on the 10:30 stream. Come on, baby. Who do we got? Who do we got? Dude, I got to download that fucking thing still. Quack, quack, baby. Who do we got? Who do we got pumping it here? Come on through. Yo, Enchanted. Oh, Jaden. Oh. Yo, you got 1 minute. It's 4:26. Actually, 2 minutes. 4:26. Are you on the stream? Are you on the stream? If you're not on the stream, we rerun it. Oh, yeah. You're here. Last one. There's 3 winners today. Last one. I was here. I am here. I don't know why I'm getting ads for pets prescriptions, considering I do not have a pet. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Who do we got? Who do we got? Oh, come on. Who's going to pull it up? Vivek. It's coming up from the back. Dude, Vivek, you on here? I can't even scroll up. Yeah, you're on here. Yo, all winners, shoot me an email if you won. Oh man. My feet, my back, spinal. Oh, congrats, guys. Dude, wild day. Wild day. Built accounts up. I am, yo, later code. I am, getting closer to some payouts. Payouts? Talking payouts? Yo, later, Lee. Yeah, I'll be in the Discord tonight. I'm gonna play bingo for a little bit, and then I'll be back tonight. Yo, there's voice chat. Yeah, we do voice chat in on the Discord. So if you want to join the voice chat, come hang out. I mean, If you're going to go on voice chat, just say, hey guys, I'm on voice chat, and just tell everybody. And then usually usually like at Sean or at Dell, and be like, yo, I'm going in voice chat. Or BK trades at night, CT trades at night. There's quite a bit of people that trade at night. Yeah, Vivek. But yeah, quite a bit of us. It was pretty cool. It's definitely pretty cool. If you got questions about prop firms, that should answer some of them. Like withdrawal limits. I know people that don't want to ask questions have questions, so I try to answer everybody's. Oh, that's so money. IONQ that I lost a bunch of money on today is up 2% after hours because Micron's earnings. So I'll make a lot of that money back tomorrow. That's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah. You got a question about strategy or anything? Now's a good time to ask. If not, I'm going to jump off and go get dressed for a bingo. I'm just looking at my fucking shit. Looking at my email. I got some cool stuff coming up, by the way. That's going to be good for the community. So definitely be around. Definitely some good stuff, free stuff for you guys. So what are heist and gamble? It's just points on the stream. It's just a fun little game people play on the stream. Ian. Yeah, bingo it's at a country club, Fred. So it's definitely like young people, kids, and whatnot. It's not like grandma bingo. It's not my country club. A friend belongs to one, and they're bringing us. Oh, man. But yeah, I am tired. Yeah, it should be fun, you know. Should definitely be fun. I'm just looking at everything that happened today. So crazy. Freaking wild day. If I can repeat this for tomorrow, oh man, that'd be nice. A day like this. Yeah, I don't belong there. I have friends that belong there. Yeah. Tired. Yo, it looks like Apex didn't push their thing out further. 80% ended. But all right, I'm jumping off. I will see you guys in the Discord. The Discord's free. The link is in the description here if you want to go in. According to you, what process to pass accounts? I just trade my strategies. I got a ton of videos on it, but like I like order blocks. You know, that's all these are different order blocks. That's where we bounced today. Pivots, order blocks. I definitely trade the orbs. I like sweeps, inverting fair value gaps. This is basically what I use right here. So, all right, guys, I will see you in the Discord tonight. Peace.